In case of electrophilic aromatic substitution, we know that activators are ortho-para directors and deactivators are meta directors. Then why is it that halogens are deactivators but they are still ortho-para directors? Halogens have 7 electrons in their outermost shell, and halogens are highly electronegative. Due to this, when these are connected to the benzene ring, then they draw electron cloud, and this makes the ring deactivated. Now, to understand why halogens are OP directors, let's first understand why an EWG like NO2 or RCO is M director. If you consider the resonance structures when an electrophile attacks the ortho or para position, when these are present, RCO or NO2, then you find that in resonance structures, one resonance structure has positive at the top. This positive is connected directly to a strong EWG. This makes the carbocation highly unstable and it is not formed. So that is why ortho and para substitutions do not work. In case of meta, we do not have such type of problem. That is, positive does not come here at the top carbon in case of meta, and so meta is formed. Now the question is, in case of halogen, why meta is not getting formed? How is halogen able to solve this positive problem at the top? And the answer is halonium ion. In case of ortho or para attack, halonium ion is formed. So you do not see the plus here. You do not see the plus here connected to just bromine, but you see the formation of halonium ion. This is formed in case of ortho attack. In case of para attack also, halonium ion is formed. So this is the reason why ortho and para substitutions are possible. Why meta does not work? In case of meta attack, it is a usual thing that happens whether you consider RCO or NO2, that is positive coming here, here, here. So here halonium ion is not formed. So there is no extra stability due to resonance which you find here due to halogen participation.